Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be cleaning my room. Honestly, recently been a lot better with keeping my room clean, but these past few days I've honestly been really stressed out and haven't been like keeping it up to date. So that's what I'm going to be doing for you guys today. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is this whole area right here. All those clothes on the floor are dirty, so I just have to throw them in the hamper, and all the clothes on my bed are clean because I did laundry and just haven't put those clothes away. So I am going to very quickly do that for you guys. So now that I can walk right here, it is a lot nicer. Now, I'm pretty much just going to do the same exact thing I just did, but on this side of the room. Now that that's done, I am going to make my bed really quickly off camera and then pop right back in. Alright, so the bed is clean and I have obtained a dog too who is helping me out here, right? So I'm pretty sure what I'm gonna do next, since it's like the most simple thing, is to just clean or tidy up bookshelf here. Here we go. It's clean. And it will be for about a week. So now I'm gonna bring it all over here to my desk. This is a bag of Christmas gifts that I have to wrap. So I'm just gonna keep this here. And I am gonna be doing a video of everything I got my friends and family for Christmas, so that's why these aren't wrapped yet, because I am going to be posting that. So I gotta film what I got first. And my desk, I really don't use it pretty much ever. So that's why it's kind of a mess, because a lot of the times when I'm cleaning, I don't know what to do with something. I just throw it on my desk, put it in the drawer. So one of my goals for, the coming year and stuff is to like keep that under control. These are stale, but dog still likes them, so I'm just gonna give them to her. And so also when I clean my room, normally like right here, I just put all the stuff that I have to either bring downstairs or just like anywhere that's not my room. So that's why there's just gonna be a pile of stuff right here. Alright, so it's not like clean, but it's a lot better than it was before. And again, keep in mind that all this stuff is not staying here. I just have to bring it somewhere that's not my room, so yeah. Okay, we are actually making really good progress. There is not a whole lot left to do. This is gonna be really, really quick, so let's get doing it. Alright, so for the most part, I just like put things shoved back here. There's definitely a lot of things that I should get rid of, but that's just something for another time. Right now, I'm just trying to make it look nice. And I think I did that for today. Okay, so this is the vanity, and after this, we're pretty much done. It looks like a mess, but it is a really quick fix. A lot of it is stressed. I was doing my nails with my brand new Hollow Taco limited edition holiday collection, and I love it so much. And I'm gonna redo them, so I'm gonna keep out the polishes, but I'm just gonna like shove them to the back. And this whole stack of books here, I use it as like a tripod when I'm filming any sort of makeup. So just gotta put that away. There's obviously more that has to and should be done, but I did a lot today, just putting things away. So now when you walk into my room, this is what you see, and it's so much better than it was before. The desk, so much nicer, and the bookshelf has space for stuff now. The closet is a disaster, but that's something else for another day. My bed is made. And my vanity, you can see the tops again. This is something I didn't even touch. It's, but yeah, you can see it. I have to clean the surfaces of everything, but I'm exhausted for right now. See the floor. It has to be vacuumed. I know. I'll do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you are procrastinating cleaning your room, go do that, because you're really going to feel so much better afterwards. And a trick for cleaning your room: film yourself doing it and post it on YouTube, because it probably took me like an hour to do this, but if I weren't filming, it probably would have taken me like a whole entire day. And I feel like because I was filming, I was like so much more motivated to actually get it done. So comment down below any other videos you guys would like to see, and I'm gonna see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!